Welcome to Joshin's English. I am Muhammad Joshin Makbul again back. Hi my viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am not going to deal with any topic of grammar. I would like to talk to you about the importance of learning English. Dear viewers, there is a question, why should I learn English? I have to learn English because I have to be a global citizen. You know that. Now this is the time of globalization. In this globalization, you have to compete with the people of the whole world. And for this, only one language is perfect to communicate with the people of the whole world. That is English. So we cannot but learn English. We have to or we must learn English because English is the gateway. English is the gateway to the people of the whole world. If you think of using computer, internet, here English is highly used. Maximum informations are available in English. So if you would like to use internet or computer, you must have sound knowledge of English. This is one reason. Another reason is that if you would like to search a good job, if you would like to search a job in a foreign country, you may not know the language of that particular country, but here English can help you. Suppose a Sri Lankan or an Indian would like to go to America. So generally the Sri Lankan or the Indian uses their native language, but in America English is only one language that is all the people of America speak. So you have to learn English. The most common reason is that if you are a student or a job seeker, you have to learn English because if you think of Bangladesh, in our country, English is compulsory from class 1 to 12. From class 1 to 12. So you have to pass this exam. And you must have a sound knowledge of English. And I would like to say another thing is that if you are fond of reading books of highly names and fames, so to read these books, you may think that you would like to read the meaning of Holy Quran. You may not know Arabic, but if you know English, you will get an English version of the Holy Quran. Or if you would like to read Bible, if you would like to read the Gita, you will get English version of it. So in English language, there are a huge number of books are available. So to read books, you have to learn English. And I would like to say that to get entertainment, that is, if you would like to watch any movie, a world-class movie, have subtitles in English. So a Portuguese movie or a Chinese movie, you may not understand, but it has subtitles in English. So English can highly help you. English can highly help you to know the whole world, to compete with the whole world and be a global citizen. So I request you, try to learn English. Thank you, thank you, thank you.